Vehicles usually have latch in their two outboard positions, like they have in this car. Infrequently, it's also provided for the center. So we learn about borrowing the inner bars from the outboard positions, or we know that we will use a seat belt in the center instead. But every now and then we do come across a vehicle that does have latch in the center. And when that happens, there are a variety of different configurations you might find it in. So the most basic would be that there'd be a separate set of latch in the middle, but there are other options as well. For instance, in this car, we have a situation where we have indicators for latch in the two outboard positions, but there's an additional indicator right here that's showing you have a fifth lower anchor bar. The idea with that fifth lower anchor bar is that it would utilize this bar from the outboard position to make latch that's a standard width in the center. And so you would have that opportunity to do that here. So when you have that, you want to be sure you're really careful about a couple things. One is you want to be certain that you never attach two car seats to the same bar. So for instance, if you have a car seat installed with latch here, you definitely couldn't install one with latch over there. You could possibly use a seat belt, but it would probably be pretty tight. Check the instructions for any kind of restrictions that would make on any use of the other seat. The other thing you want to be sure of is that you're matching up the correct set of latch bars. So you can see these two latch bars are pretty close together. That bar over there could accidentally be put with this bar, though, if you put a car seat in this spot. So you want to be really careful that when people are using latch with a configuration like this, that they're actually matching up the right sets of latch bars and that all seats are being used as approved by the manufacturer of the vehicle.